Hey girl, welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I teach you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. So what exactly is it that I do here? Today I'm going to tell you. Roll the intro. Okay, so what is it that I do here? Glam life? Like, what does that even mean? It means your whole life is about to get way more glam and way more efficient. There are a few ways that I help you do this. I have over a decade of experience in makeup artistry where I help women just like you achieve their personal version of beauty. I do this through in-person application, through virtual lessons, and I offer tons of free tips right here on my channel, and I'm always looking to help you answer your beauty questions. Also, I have a bachelor's degree in fashion design. I sprinkle a few fashion tips throughout. Personal finance. Doesn't sound like it goes together, right? What's more glam than having your finances in order? Exactly, nothing. I help you learn how to budget and achieve your financial goals in a way that is right for you and your family. Think of me like an investigative journalist for personal finance. I find all the research and then I present that information to you so that you can make the right choice for yourself. Organization and productivity. Efficiency is key when it comes to living your very best life. I bring you information and processes to make your life way easier by creating videos to show you how to organize and clean your space and organize your life for efficiency and clarity. When you are more organized, it makes you more productive, which is efficient. We also talk about wellness and how that relates to making things with your hands. The sense of accomplishment that comes along with making something has a positive effect on your mental, physical, and emotional health. And what's more efficient than health? Exactly. What you choose to put in your body and how you choose to move your body is also incredibly important and relates directly to your health. So we do talk a little bit about health here and how making the right choices for you and your body will make you so much happier, so much healthier, so much more glam, and so much more efficient. Because when you are healthy, you look healthy, you feel healthy, you're more efficient, you get more things done. It just all goes together. So yes, there are quite a few things that we do here. You might also sometimes see me bust a move because I'm a dance teacher, and we have fun with that too. Basically, I'm your new big sister, and I am here to help you be the very best version of yourself that you can be. I love educating and I love helping you out. So whatever it is that you want to know, send me a message, leave me a comment, find me on Instagram, send me a DM, and I am happy to answer your questions for you. Welcome to the Glam Fam. If you're looking to add a little bit more sunshine and positivity to your day, you can find me here on YouTube. Subscribe and hit that thumbs up button so that this gets shown to more people so that we can help more people be awesome. You can also find me on TikTok at Glam Life by Meg, on Facebook at Glam Life by Meg, and on Instagram at Glam Life by Meg. Sprinkle me throughout your different social medias, and you'll get a little sunshine every once in a while, aka like every day, because this is what I do. Before you go, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Every time you hit that thumbs up button, YouTube shows this video to more people who could use help just like you. I seriously appreciate every single thumbs up, every subscribe, every comment. I also always mention to stay hydrated at the end of every single one of my videos because hello, health, wellness, efficiency, glam. Stay hydrated, sis. What would you like to learn from me? What questions do you have? Leave your comments down below so that I can get back to you. And maybe I'll make a video on it. Okay, bye. I hope I turned that mic on. I did, okay. That would suck because I'm already almost done.